Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can see the list of blocked contacts in Snapchat, as well as how you can remove them from there. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments, and let's get started. So first, we're going to open up the Snapchat app. At the top, we'll go to our page. To do that, we're going to click on our avatar. Once on our page, we'll click on the gear at the top. Once we've got all our settings loaded, we need to scroll down to Privacy Controls. And then we find Blocked Users, and click on that. And then we can see the list of blocked contacts, of blocked friends we have on Snapchat. And if you want to delete any of them. If you want to unblock them, then do it elementary. To do this, you just need to click on the cross next to the name. Then you confirm that you want to unblock this user. And as you can see, we now have no blocked in Snapchat. That's how easy and elementary it is to see the list of blocked friends in Snapchat and also remove them if you need to. Hope this video was useful for you. Put your likes, write your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you later.